The following video will go through the step-by-step process of adding a maintenance reminder to your MyGeotab. First, you're going to want to click on Maintenance on the left-hand side panel, click on Reminders, and select Add Reminder on the top of the page. From there, you're going to want to fill in the information beginning with the reminder name, placing it under the reminder type, and then selecting the repeats by, either by time, distance, or engine hours. For here, we'll do by time, and repeats by time monthly on day 7, and then select a group for this reminder. Second, you're going to want to add your assets, and these are the ones that will get the reminder. And then click on Notifications and select the notification type, and then select the recipients, and then place the information here for trigger notification. For this, we'll do 7 days before due, 500 kilometers before due, and 168 engine hours before due. Once that's done, click Add, and then click Save at the top of the page. Now you'll see that your reminder has been populated under the Maintenance Reminders tab.